A perfect pasta dish for springtime or anytime. Linguine with peas. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Begin by dicing half of a medium red onion. Finely chop the leaves of 7 sprigs of parsley. Finely dice the pancetta. Since the amount is small, I bought it sliced and just roll it up. Cut down the center and then cut the dice. Set the 4 quarts of water over medium-high heat for cooking the pasta. Using a large skillet over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. When the butter is melted, add the pancetta. Cook for 2 minutes. Mix in the diced red onions. Stir and add the parsley, reserving some for garnish when you serve. Give it a stir. Reduce heat to very low. Cook slowly for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. When done, salt the boiling water and add the linguine. Cook to al dente according to your package instructions. While the pasta cooks, stir the peas into the pancetta mixture. Cook 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Add half of the chicken stock at a time, stirring until it comes up to temperature before adding more. Stir and simmer until done, about 3 minutes. Using tongs, move the linguine directly into a large bowl with 1 tablespoon butter. Toss until the butter is melted and has coated the pasta. Immediately fold in the peas and pancetta with all of the broth. Toss until coated and peas are visible throughout. Serve immediately, making sure plenty of peas are on each serving. Garnish with a little parsley, fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and crack or 2 of black pepper. The aromas of the slow-cooked onion and the pancetta are divine, and the peas make it perfect for spring. I hope you make it soon, and thanks for watching my video.